In this shoe custom episode, we have Mortal Kombat 2021. What's up, YouTube? This is Orlando. And in this project, we have a shoe designed by Lucha, Loafers. The design, Mortal Kombat. The shoe, a slip-on Vans. Now, this is going to be real quick. Let's take a look at the shoe. You can tell right off the bat, we have Sub-Zero, we have Scorpion, one of my favorite video games of all time, dating back to Mortal Kombat 1. And taking a look at this shoe, you can see the amount of detail that was put in this whole concept. The shoe itself, it looks like we have, an all-white Vans painted black. And then on the fronts, you have Sub-Zero, you have the glare and the highlights from Scorpion. And then on Scorpion, you can see the highlights of the blue from Sub-Zero. So it's a great tone, a great match, a great two-color or two-design shoe with both characters. Look at the background. We have the blue. We have the trees in the background. And then you get to the characters, and you can just tell that they're going head-on. They're fighting. And it's just a great concept. Lucha Loafers always has great design work, great detail, great brushstroke. Everything is always on point. And for you fans who've seen the new Mortal Kombat movie on HBO, I agree with Lucha Loafers. Let's move on to the next photo. That's my Liu Kang. This guy in the new one did great. I'm more of a fan of the original Mortal Kombat movies. Other than that, though, the story, the graphics in the new one was great. The cast just wasn't my cup of tea. So, Lucha Loafers, great shoes, great design, flawless victory. Well, that's it. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. And please comment below and let us know what you thought about these kicks. Thanks as always, and see you in our next video on The Wall of Hype.